अभिभाषण का बहिष्कार नहीं किया था। यह कौन सी परंपरा है और कांग्रेस पार्टी का यह कौन सा अहंकार है कि जो कानून लाने के लिए कृषि सुधार में उन्होंने पूरी कोशिश की, स्वयं के नेताओं ने घोषणा की, उनके कृषि मंत्री ने घोषणा की बार बार कि यह देश के लिए जरूरी है, तो जिस कृषि कानून को किसानों के हित में जो भी मानते थे वो नहीं कर पाए, उसे हम कर रहे हैं। और आज देश के किसान और किसानी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कई हम लोगों ने नीतिगत निर्णय किए हैं जिसका लाभ किसानों को मिला है, जिसकी विस्तार से चर्चा महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी ने की है। उसको लेकर ये आचरण ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, ये अहंकार ठीक नहीं है। और इसके पीछे एकमात्र अहंकार का कारण यही है कि देश में शासन चलाने का अधिकार हमें ही मिलना चाहिए, भले जनता का समर्थन हो या ना हो। तो आज देश ने देखा है कि देश के संसदीय परंपरा का उल्लंघन हुआ है, तो हम इस पर अपनी बहुत गंभीर रोष प्रकट करते हैं और इसे हम बिल्कुल अनुचित मानते हैं कि यह संसदीय परंपरा का अनादर है। In terms of the conventional parliamentary practices, the budget session commenced with the speech of Honorable the President of India to both the houses of Parliament. This is a salutary parliamentary tradition for the last so many years. Mahamahim Rashtrapati Ji is beyond the pale of political divide. He represents the symbol of constitutional head of India and therefore entitled to our respect. It is a matter of great regret today that the opposition sought to boycott it. But more particularly disquieting is the irresponsible role of Congress Party, which has ruled India for more than 50 years and has its government is still in many states of India. What kind of precedent and tradition the Congress Party is leaving for the country? That is a very important issue to be reflected upon today. One of his member, Mr. Bittu, shouted slogan inside the Central Hall. Another member of the AAP party, Mr. Maan, sought to push the doors to create commotion. We have also been in opposition for a long time. We had serious concerns about the deeds and misdeeds and corruption of the UPA government, but we never chose to boycott the address of the President because the respect we hold for the office of the Honorable President of India. The real problem of Congress Party is the arrogance of Congress Party. And the arrogance stems from a self-developed belief that only they are bound to rule India, regardless of popular franchise not being present in their favor. The same Congress Party was initiating, supporting, accelerating all these reforms. Whether their leader, their government, their agriculture and food minister, they could not do. We have done it. We have taken so many measures for improving the entire life and harvesting pattern of the farmers of India. And we shall continue to, because we are committed to make development in all the villages of India for the sake of farmers' growth. I wonder this light, instigating the farmers on falsehood. And one thing I would like to comment very clearly and categorically. Congress Party has not publicly denounced what happened in the Lal Killa on that day. That is a great symbol of our freedom. Pradhan Mantri ji unfurls the national flag there. So many generation of Congress family as Prime Minister have unfurled the national flag there. But I regret to say, except tokenism, there was no open criticism or denunciation of the defilement of the Red Fort on that day. That is what Congress Party is about, and that is what their leaders are. We regret to convey our strong disapproval and concern on the boycott of Rashtrapati ji's address.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।